Hello, everyone. Welcome again. Today, we are going to discuss how SEO helps law firms get more clients with a good online presence. Attorney search engine optimization is about more than just using SEO for attorney services to rank on the first page of search results. SEO for attorneys is about providing your site visitors with the best experience possible. This means well organized content that is filled with searchable keywords that are relevant to your target market. And attorneys who do not optimize their websites for search engine traffic are missing out on highly qualified prospects who are actively seeking legal services online. Search engine optimization is a must for any serious law firm that is looking to achieve a high volume of visitors to their website, convert those visitors into leads, and ultimately convert those leads into paying clients. Attorneys who have traditionally relied on word of mouth to attract clients, it's not the thing anymore these days. But the way people search for information has really changed a lot. Now, more than 80% of people search online before they speak with a lawyer. So, what is really SEO? Search engine optimization is a process of optimizing a website to appear as high as possible on search engine results page. Search engine optimization is actually best known for driving high quality traffic to any websites. Even when no one is searching for specific keywords, just having a website on the first page of results for a search term improves your chances of having a lead convert to a paying client. All search engines, including Google, offer some sort of search engine optimization options, some better than the others. Depending on what type of website you have, you may need to tweak and customize a combination of your website's content and design, as well as the online presence of your business name, address, phone number, and other information. So, you may think, why is SEO important for law firms? So actually, more than half of attorneys use the internet for research before choosing a lawyer. This means that there is a strong correlation between legal firm, website traffic, and lawyers' review and ratings as well. So attorneys who are not conducting thorough SEO friendly website research prior to creating their site often get the two most important criteria wrong, which is the name and the reputation. Thus, the right SEO strategy can help attorneys improve their online reputation and generate more leads, which in turn helps them maintain a loyal clientele. So, how to improve SEO for lawyers? Many law firms fail to realize the importance of SEO. The old school approach to SEO is to pay companies to do SEO for you, in which case, search engine optimization is rarely a focus for the law firm's owners. So, how do you rank on the first page of Google? So it is no longer enough to put a website on a search engine and expect it to rank on the first page of results. When it comes to SEO, ranking on Google is all about having a quality website that is easy to navigate and finds searchers the information they are looking for quickly and efficiently. Google is constantly changing how it evaluates sites in its search results. So if you don't keep up, your site will be immediately bumped to the second page or even lower than that. With the new update to Google's algorithm, there are also changes to SEO. If your site does not rank well with a specific term, your website may get penalized and your traffic will begin to suffer. There are multiple ways to get your website on the first page of Google as well. So, what are really the benefits of SEO? So, online searchers can read quality content. So, Google's team of humans and algorithms can't read legal briefs, but they can search your website. In other words, keyword rich content on your website is a proven way to improve search engine rankings, improve lead generation, and convert visitors into clients. You can make the content on your website compelling, but if the content is generic and uninteresting, visitors will stop looking for it and go to another site instead. If you are writing content for the web, it needs to be focused on helping visitors locate the information they are looking for, not vague, generic, legal information. So this means telling readers what they need to know, not simply listing all of your laws and regulations. So another thing or another advantage of considering SEO for your law firm is that uh, for websites increased traffic. So it will definitely increase traffic on your website. So many attorneys have not updated their websites, and majority of them does not even have any websites. So they have not really updated their website for years and rely on outdated websites with non-search friendly content. So you definitely would need to make sure your website has a clean, clutter-free, and easy-to-use design that's optimized for SEO. So Google will give your website a much higher search engine ranking if your site is optimized for search engine. So it's vital to use SEO for attorneys to attract visitors and convert them into leads. Search engine optimization also is about more than just ranking on the first page. So it's important to know that while SEO for attorneys is about getting your website higher on search engine results page, that's only part of the picture. You also need to make sure your website is engaging and easy to navigate for your visitors. Higher conversion rates. This is one of the advantage of SEO. So the easiest way to for a potential client to find your law firm online is to search for it. If you do not have a website, it can be difficult process to reach your potential clients. It's very difficult. A website allows potential clients to search for your services or job, read reviews on your services, request an appointment or chat with an attorney. So if you do not have any website or you have an outdated one, your number one SEO priority should be to improve it as quickly as possible or even create a website if you really do not have one. A website should be completely optimized for search engines and optimized for mobile devices, which is why mobile traffic is growing as much as 75% annually. So users find information from their phones 78% of the time. So you should also have a section on your site dedicated for easy navigation for mobile users. Above everything else, you have to consider that the overall website structure of yours should be mobile friendly. So another thing, additional thing is that SEO is better for your targeted audience. So every marketing effort has its audience. That audience can be different from those who search for Similar legal advice, for example, when people search for lawyers, they can use keywords like auto accident attorney and family law attorney, something like that. What people really want are their first few sentences of queries. When they find a professional website that appeals to them in those first few words, they'll consider their message credible and will likely visit the attorney's website. If the website has not been optimized for search, those search queries will lead to potential clients to a website that is filled with content that's not really too relevant, is even poorly organized, and will not effectively convert them into paying clients. SEO will definitely also add more professional appearance for your website. It's because web design has always been uh, part of SEO these days. So my team is doing that as well. So getting an attorney online does not just mean getting a website. You also need to make sure that you are consistently providing your visitors with a professional and relevant online presence. Your online presence help you stand out from the crowd. Having an online presence as well can mean a great deal for your prospective clients. So, for example, attorneys who have a good online presence have a higher volume of people visiting their website on a daily basis. Attorneys who get the most traffic to their website have higher conversion rates. So, in addition to that, having a professional website has two great benefits for your law firm. First, it dominates your prospects, it really demonstrates to your prospects that you are on top of your game and that you are a professional in the legal industry. So yeah, so when it comes to SEO, it will add everything up. It will give you higher levels of professionalism or professionality. So after years of relying on simple tactics to get online leads, now is definitely the time for a new approach. So I tell you guys, the old methods does not work anymore as they used to, and cannot get law firms to the top search results. Of course, uh, attorney search engine optimization takes a lot of planning and strategies, proven strategies. So, but it is definitely worth it to make a big investment in order to get to top rankings for your website. Using a marketing agency to implement your strategy for your website will also help. It will give you a competitive advantage against other law firms that actually do not take time to invest in SEO. So if you have any questions in mind, please do not hesitate to visit our website, rankyourniche.com, so you can schedule a free strategy session as well. So yeah, looking forward to hear from you guys. And if you have any questions when it comes to SEO, I'll be very happy to help you. So thank you so much and see you in the next episode.